What's going on, everybody? It's Tucker and welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate you being here. So sorry it's been a little bit since my last video. I took the last couple months off for much needed mental break. A. B. Got busy doing the film, The Stories of the Stars. If you haven't checked that out, definitely go do so after watching this video. I'm super proud to be a part of that, not only working with Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, but the Museum of Indigenous People right here in Prescott to submit our nomination for the exoplanets and naming the planets. So I'm super honored to be a part of that. Hopefully we'll hear soon where we're ranking, and there will be a part 2 to that. Okay, real quick, real estate 2022, it was crazy. The market went up and went down, and that's what the market does. It's a little roller coaster, and it's a constant state. A lot of people are like, oh my gosh, it's gonna crash, and no, it just does that. And a lot of agents struggled this past year, and I can say that it was my best year to date. My goal is always to do better than the year before, and I'm a very goal-oriented person, and so I'm going to continue to set goals for myself and have that goal for me for next year and just do better than I did this year. So yeah. Okay, the question that I get asked all the time, everybody wants to know, Tucker and the Beard. Tucker and the Beard podcast. If you're not aware, my buddy, my best bud, my business partner, him and his family moved to Tennessee. And so they're getting situated there, so we haven't been able to do the podcast. But that's the plan, is to get it back, and we're excited to do that once we're able to do so. So try not to bother him too much as he's getting situated, but definitely stay tuned for that, and go like Tucker and the Beard on Facebook and all the things, and yeah, stay tuned for more on that. A lot of new toys that I want you guys to check out that's going to be fun to see. So yeah, here's a little sneak peek of that. So coming into the new year, I'm super motivated. Got some copycat agents that are trying to do similar things that I've done, and it just drives the fire to just keep going. So definitely stay tuned. I have to ask, go down below, like, comment, definitely subscribe, recommend it to your friends, recommend it to people that aren't your friends, and stay tuned for more videos, because I'm super excited, and let's go.
What's going on, man?
No, I don't. I just, yeah.
Nice to see you, but how did
I can't believe I did it. I used the force.
The force?
Yeah, the force. I mean, I know I'm forcing you to be here.
So you're telling me that you just
This is awesome.
I'm not here, as you can see, but
I did it.
I'm here. So what's the rest of it? Obviously,
That's a
right?
good question.
Where it's not safe, but
This is a good one.
what am I doing? I was driving down the freeway. This could be a problem.